How to see who viewed your TikTok video. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to see who viewed your TikTok video, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to go into my TikTok app. Perfectly, now when I'm on my TikTok app, then what I need to click on first is the plus button because I'm going to demonstrate to you, so I'm going to upload a video basically. So I'm going to click on upload here, and then I'm going to just select a random video in here, then click on next, and then click on post. Perfect, I'm just going to post this video right here. As you can see, I'm going to see how long it's going to take. It should be posted in just a few seconds here actually. So basically, after you have posted your video, then you will need to wait like a couple of minutes basically for this to work. So let's say that this video, I want to see who has viewed this exact video right here. Then what I need to do is to firstly click on the comment button. Perfectly, as you can see in here, you will see like a comment in here probably. If there's no comment, then don't worry, you will need to click where it says likes. As you can see, there's 17 likes on this video, and you will be able to see who has liked this video. And those people who has liked this video, they probably watch your video, right? Because if they are not watching your video, then why would they like it? So the people that like the video here, then you 100% know that they have basically watched your video. You can also click on where it says comments, and if somebody has commented, then they probably have watched your video as well, because otherwise why would they comment basically? So that is actually the only way that you can see who has viewed your TikTok video as of right now, at least. TikTok actually has the profile viewers option as well, but that is not really the same thing as like likes or like viewed your TikTok video basically. So that is really not the same, because that function allows you to see who has viewed your TikTok profile, but not those who has viewed your TikTok video. So the only way to know who has viewed your TikTok video is, as I said before, is to look who has liked your video and who has commented on your video basically. So this is exactly how to do so. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.